Everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn your image into an illustration in 2 minutes. First, open Adobe Illustrator and then go to File, Place, and select your image. Then go to Window, Image Trace. After you open Image Trace window, choose the preset 6 colors. You can change the colors, the preset, and all the details about the image until you are happy with the results. Feel free to experiment all the different looks. You will love how versatile it is and how much options you have. You can even change the colors and make it more detailed or less detailed by changing the threshold on the menu. Here you see that I try a few different presets just to show all the possibilities that you have with all these different presets. But keep in mind that we are not done yet. The most important part of it is coming up. Go to Object, Image Trace, Expand, or simply click on the Expand on top. After you expanded and vectorized everything, you can ungroup it and change all the different colors on the image if you would like to. Now I'm going to show you the same technique on a different image so you can see how amazing it works on every image. Go ahead and place another image and make sure you hold shift while resizing so it's proportional, and then go ahead and do the same thing. Choose a preset that you would like. It can be grayscale, it can be 6 color. I chose 6 color here. Choose a threshold to your liking, and basically that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.